What is up, YouTube? Today I am doing an unboxing on the connectless Xbox One. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We have Call of Duty Ghosts, Titanfall, and about 6 other games I have installed on an Xbox already. Again, this is the connectless version. I just threw some random stuff in the video, like these cases for my controller that I don't use, but why not put them in a video? And also, if you hear any screaming or crying, it's from this girl right here. Look! Hi. Hey. Okay, anyway, back to the video. So, yes, I already unboxed it and played around with it for about a month, but I decided to make a video anyway, so excuse the messy unboxing. This is all the accessories and that comes with the system. Okay. Again, I already unboxed it, so that's why it looks messy. Yeah, messy, I know. Okay, so what comes with it is instructions, blah blah. The controller itself. Beautiful. A fat power brick. Alright. A very professional mic. I like it. Better than a 360's mic. An HDMI cord. Xbox One will not work with RCA cables, yellow, white, and red. Will not work, so you need a TV like this. Alright? Okay, back to the video. Now the system itself, the moment you've all been waiting for. Connectless version. Okay, so here's the back. That's the back. Top. Like I said, I already played it. That's why it's so dusty. Let me get a sock. Look at that. All that dust. Ridiculous. iPhone. Yeah. Okay. Now for the front. And I like this button right here, the power button, because when you touch it, it makes a little ding sound. So I really like that. When we turn it off, it's ding. I'll show you when I set it up. So you have that, the eject button, the USB slot, 3.0 I think. And the Xbox One now has a Blu-ray player, so woohoo. Now, besides these 2 games, Titanfall and Call of Duty Ghosts, I have a lot more games. So if you want to add me on Xbox, my name will be in the description. Actually, my YouTube name is my gamertag, so just send me an invite, we'll play. Got it. So, now I'm going to show you the setup. Peace. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with the setup for the Xbox connectless version, Xbox One. So, I'm going to go ahead and take the Xbox. Find a spot to put it. Excuse the hole in the wall. It's a long story, but I guess I'll put it right here. FiOS. Screw Comcast. FiOS. Alright. That's good for now. Now I can take... I'm going to take the power brick. Brick, literally a power brick. Compared to the PS4's power cable. Hard to do it with one hand, I know that. Hold on for 1 second, I'm sorry. Wow. Okay. There we go. Now I'm gonna take this piece and put it back. There we go. Now to hide this fat power brick and put it behind here. Excuse the mess again. Need to unplug most of this stuff. I don't even need it. Alright, so now we have that. That's all set. Now for the HDMI cord. You take it, put in HDMI out. Okay. And take the other end. And I'm gonna plug this into the back of my TV. Hard to do it with one hand. Hold on. Alright. So next, turn the TV on. Ooh, a wallet. Any money in it? Whatever. Okay, so now TV is on. Take the controller, and the controller does come with 2 AA batteries, but I bought a Xbox One playing charge kit. That's what I meant to say. And I really love this because I don't have to buy any batteries. Screw you, Microsoft. You should have learned from the 360's controller that we hate using batteries. So I got it out the way, got the rechargeable playing charge kit. And put it back in. Make sure I don't break it. That would be embarrassing. Now, no, I want to turn it on with the controller. I'm just. There we go. So I don't know if I'll have to restart it or if we'll see. I think my gamertag will pop up right now. There we go. iTrevonHD. Send me a friend request. Turn the controller on. Fail. Okay, I guess I put it on. There we go. Okay, so if you want to send me a friend request, I have, these are the games I have. I have 2K, I have Titanfall, Ghost, Dead Rising, Outlast Whistleblower, I have Forza, Max, it's a free game, Watch Dogs, Battlefield. Yeah. Yep. Destiny beta. Ugh. Yep, so that's it. Oh yeah, the mic. Oh, yeah. I also forgot. I have a free 2-day trial if anybody wants it. And I also have a 7-day trial. I couldn't find it. But if you want it, so let me know. Here's the Xbox One mic. This is how it works. Plug into the bottom. Lights up. You just go from there. It's all wrapped up. But screw it. So I hope you liked it. I'm sorry for the mess. Minor mess. Hit me up on Xbox if you want. iTrevonHD. Anything else? That's it. If you have any requests, let me know in the comment section. Peace. We out. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look at the camera. Bye-bye.